Question number 17. Okay. An object is in a uniform gravitational field. The graph shows the change in gravitational potential energy of the object varies with the vertical distance x. As you keep on moving away, what is the gravitational potential energy? Remember, it's not gravitational field. It is potential energy, GPE. Okay. From the fixed point, which graph shows the gravitational force acting on the object distance? Object varies with the distance x. Okay. So towards it. Now, first thing that we need to know here is that how is this gravitational GPE, how is the GPE related to distance x and the force F? Why force F? Because that's what we need to find here, right? So therefore, how is it being related? That's what we need to know. What is gravitational potential energy? First, let us write down where do we get this gravitational force. Gravitational force is given by Gmm divided by x squared. Now, what is gravitational potential energy? This should be Gmm divided by x divided by x. So this should be your gravitational potential energy, which should now be delta E divided by x over here. So which means when you plot a graph of delta E versus x, then okay, so then what you get here? If you find out the slope here, delta E versus x, what is the slope? Slope is seen to be a constant. Slope is seen to be a constant. What do you mean by slope here? Slope here, delta E by x is nothing but the force, right? See here, delta E divided by x here, if you say delta E, slope here, this should now be equal to delta E by x. Okay, according to the formula, delta E by x is nothing but force. So therefore, you can say that the force here is seen to be a constant. When you say force equal to a constant, then it does not vary with distance, right? So which of this will give you a force equal to constant? This, you see, force is increasing with distance. Wrong. What about here? Force is increasing with distance. The difference between these two is there is a initial force over here, a t equal to 0. This is also incorrect. Force is not varying. Which is the right answer? C is the right answer. See, force does not vary. Here force is decreasing. So this is also incorrect, right? So therefore C is the right answer.